I'm Brittany with WTI, and I say let's stop wasting dryer sheets and start using wool balls.
And after trying these BABL Life dryer balls, I will never go back to dryer sheets. They are made of 100% New Zealand wool, and they are perfect to have on hand in your laundry room. I love the cute little bag that it comes in. They fit 6 wool balls in there, and you can just see the squishiness, the quality that is all wool. The best part about this, not only do they work as dryer sheets, but you can choose what scents are going to be into your clothes. You can get any essential oils pack. You can choose one scent, a combination of scents. I usually use 4 balls that I throw into our dryer, and I keep the other 2 on hand in case something happens to the other dryer balls. Or in case I need to intensify the scent, I can always add those if I would like to. You then can just take your clean, wet clothes, throw them in the dryer, and when they're done, you're not only able to take them out and not have to worry about that static issue, but they're going to smell amazing. And those balls are just going to stay in the dryer. You don't have to worry about replacing them. They're going to last and help keeping your clothes smell and look great.
And that's my point of view.